Alright, finish about citations. Now comes about referencing. Please refer to your textbook at the same time on starting page 64. That is all about referencing. Okay, reference list. Okay, so reference list, you need to list down all the outside sources that you use for your essay writing. For example, from newspapers or from books, from articles, from journals, from the internet. Okay, so you need to list down. Alright, as I mentioned earlier, your list should be organized alphabetically. Okay, following A, B, C, and D. Okay, please refer to your textbook, page 66. Okay, page 66. You can see the table, the first table, under the subtopic print sources. Number 1 is books. Okay, example A, Crescent S. Name of the author, Crescent, S. Crescent here is the last name and S is the first name. Publication year 1988. The title of the book, Second Language Acquisition and Second Language Learning. Publication place, UK. Publisher, Prentice Hall International UK Limited. These are all the information. How are you going to turn the information into your reference list? Look at the bottom of the column of the first table. Okay. Crescent, S, full stop or dot in bracket, the year, and then full stop, followed by the title of the book, italic, place of the publication, and name of the, followed by name of the publisher. So of course K for Crescent is number 2, number 1 is the person Ari D, and Jacobs LC and Sorensen, because it starts with A, letter A. Okay, that is example of reference list for books. So you need to refer to others depending on your reference type, depending on your sources type. Okay, either it is book or academic books, newspapers, magazine, encyclopedias, and so on. Okay. Okay, you really need to read these notes, yeah, so that you don't make any mistake in your term paper draft. When no date of publication is given, the retrieve date is needed. Okay. If your article, for example, have no date of publication, you already search it anywhere and it's not found, please put the date of when you check or you read the article. That is what we call as retrieve date. Retrieve from, this is the website address and the date. Like 20 September 2020. Okay, for example, like this, yeah. Kevin, Kevin is the last name, M is the first name, only the letter, full stop, in bracket, N dot D dot and close bracket, full stop. ND stands for no date. This is the title of the article, The World is Flat. Retrieve September 13, 2012 from, you need to paste the website address. If you have any question, as usual, you know what you should do, and refer to textbook page 57 until 118. They explain on this topic that we are discussing.